red planet?
Mars.
Where is Gateway of India located?
Mumbai.
Where is India Gate located?
New Delhi.
What is the national aquatic animal of India?
Ganges River Dolphin.
Which is the highest mountain peak in India?
Kanchenjunga.
Which Indian state has the largest population?
Uttar Pradesh.
What is the main language spoken in Kerala?
Malayalam.
Which Indian city is called the city of joy?
Kolkata.
Which metal is used in making 1 rupee coin in India?
Steel.
Which Indian state is famous for the dance form Kathakali?
Kerala.
What is the Lok Sabha?
Lower House of Parliament.
Who invented zero in mathematics?
Aryabhat.
Which instrument is used to measure temperature?
Thermometer.
In which year did India get independence?
1947.
Who is the author of the Indian Constitution?
Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar.
Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide.
Which state is called the Spice Garden of India?
Kerala.
What is the full form of PIN?
Postal index number.
Which Indian river is considered the holiest?
Ganga.
Which Indian city is known as the Manchester of India?
Ahmedabad.
Where is the Bhabha Atomic Research Center located?
Mumbai.
Which crop is known as the golden crop in India?
Jute.
Who was the first Indian woman in space?
Kalpana Chawla.
Which dance form belongs to Tamil Nadu?
Bharatnatyam.
Who composed the song Vande Mataram?
Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay.
What is the capital of Assam?
Dispur.
What is the total number of union territories in India?
8.
Which Indian state is known for heaven on earth?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Which Indian festival celebrates brother-sister bonding?
Raksha Bandhan.
Which sport is Virat Kohli associated with?
Cricket.
Which is the cleanest city in India cleanest city in India?
Indore.
Which freedom fighter is known for Dandi March?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Which is the largest desert in India?
Thar Desert.
Which country